This video describes an automated way to collect wake word performance on third-party devices for which you may not have programmatic access. This method works as long as there's an activation light to indicate a successful wake, as a photoresistor is used to capture the voltage difference between light and dark output over the LED. The output metrics collected are false alarm rate, FAR, and false rejection rate, FRR. False alarm rate is the number of times a wake word engine incorrectly detects the wake phrase in an hour. Ideally, the FAR should be as low as possible to avoid false activations. False rejection rate is the probability of the wake word engine missing the wake-up phrase. Generally, FAR and FRR are inversely related. Tuning the device to be more sensitive to wake triggers will improve FRR. However, it also usually becomes more sensitive to false triggers, FAR. Final validation of wake word performance is done via a long-term, 24-hour test with an interfering noise source. However, this type of long-term testing is impractical for product benchmarking or tuning wake word device sensitivity. If the device is set up within a controlled acoustic environment with calibrated sources, FAR and FRR parameters are typically highly repeatable. We have recorded a small set of true wake word triggers as well as adversarial wake word triggers to benchmark this device's wake word sensitivity. The adversarial phrases consist of utterances that are near homophones, as well as some phrases that are substantially different from the wake word. The first step is setting the photoresistor voltage threshold at which we will accept a trigger.
Okay, Google.
Next, we play back each of the wake word files in a specified directory, monitoring if the voltage threshold has been exceeded, indicating a positive trigger.
Okay, Google.
Yep, that one triggered.
Okay, Google. Google. Hey, Google. Okay, Poodle. Okay, Poodle.
Those last two were adversarial wake words and were not supposed to trigger.
Okay, Crucial. Okay, Crucial. Hey, Frugal.
There's another false trigger.
Hey, Frugal.
A second talker saying the same adversarial phrase did not trigger. Let's fast forward through these results and see the final tabulated Excel output. This summary shows our wake word phrases and whether each utterance caused a trigger. The user enters the expected value for phrase, and the percent false positive and false negative rate is computed automatically. We still call these FAR and FRR, but technically, as per the earlier definitions, that's incorrect, as those definitions were expressed as a count of incorrect responses per hour, not a percentage of the total number of utterances. But the intent is very similar, and if we also specify the number of wake word attempts per hour, then we can convert between measures. We hope you've enjoyed this demonstration of how to conduct automated wake word performance testing on black box devices. If you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, or follow Indie Acoustic Research on LinkedIn.